Hey there, welcome back. Get ready to satisfy your cravings as we dive into the flavors of a classic dish in today's video, chicken shawarma recipe. Now, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our delicious recipes. Picture this tender, juicy chicken marinated in aromatic spices, perfectly grilled to perfection, and served with a medley of fresh veggies and a creamy sauce. The secret lies in our homemade spice blend, packed with flavors like cumin, paprika, and turmeric. We'll marinate the chicken overnight to let those flavors infuse, resulting in a tantalizing taste experience. The combination of the succulent chicken, crisp veggies, and tangy sauce is absolutely divine. And the best part, you can easily recreate this dish right in your own kitchen. So grab your tortillas, lay out your toppings, and get ready to assemble your very own chicken shawarma wraps. Trust me, you won't be able to resist the explosion of flavors in every bite. Now, my food-loving friends, check the video description below for the full recipe and ingredients, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if your taste buds are tingling with excitement. Oh, and remember to share your delicious creations with me on the comments section #shawarma. I can't wait to see your amazing results.